Let's go. We're vlogging. We're vlogging.
No,
we're vlogging.
I'm not vlogging.
Yes, we are.
Leave me alone.
No, we're vlogging.
Leave me alone.
Say it.
No.
Say it.
No.
Dad.
I'm confessing to nothing.
Dad, say it.
No, leave me alone.
Say, Dad, look at the camera. I'm not leaving until you say
In
it.
Texas, police say thieves cut the chain on a locked gate to get in.
Say it.
And recover a white
Come on.
Well, welcome to another Confessions of Room 3428.
It's hard.
Now leave me alone.
Ow, she's a brick house. She's 90, just letting it all hang out.
Okay, so that didn't work out well. Dad and I were going to try to vlog together. In fact, we did vlog together, and he was totally uncooperative. I thought it would be something fun, and he wasn't having any of it. Lizzie, feel better. I'm so sorry that you're not feeling well. I hope you get better soon. Kim, your tribute vlog is coming. I've been working on it. I was hoping to do it today, but I was planning on being here 5 hours earlier than I was. So it's gonna have to wait till next week. It's pretty kick-ass if I do say so myself. Pretty proud of it. So look for that next week. Lisa, your vlog is gonna make me cry. I already know. I'm gonna bawl. For those of you who don't know, Lisa and I have known each other since 2003, I think. Since I was 16 is all I know. And now I just turned 22. So we met on an online community, and we have migrated with each other to 2 different forums. 3 different forums if you include Quest. So yeah, she can't get rid of me. She has a lot of dirt on me, so her tribute vlog to me, it's gonna make me cry. Already know that. Oh, for those of you who are interested in LeakyCon, proposals are finally open for academic, informal, and youth programming. For those of you who don't know, I am in charge of the informal programming for LeakyCon, and so I'm running it. But if you have any ideas for proposals, for the first time ever, we're doing proposals for not only academic, but informal and youth programming as well. So if you have an idea that you really like, that you think would be fun for informal programming, and it's going to be really great, if you're interested, I put a link in the sidebar, so go and submit. We're taking submissions, so it's exciting. 6 months away, guys, like 180 days or something like that. But anyway, I guess that's it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! Here is some footage of me and Dad. You're boring. Don't be a poop! What's wrong?
I'm tired. I don't want to do this.
Dad, we're just talking for like 5 minutes. Didn't you miss me?
I missed you so much. Not your camera.
You're boring. Dad, I thought this would be fun.
And if you haven't picked up on it, I don't really want to do it, sweetheart.
Yeah, but you could have been fun.
I know, but I'm not into the vlogging community, dear.
You have. Do your song. Do it. Do it for the public. Do it, Dad. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. He randomly does this sometimes. It's really cute.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Do it!
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore.
Tell everybody bye.
Bye, everybody. Have a happy Thanksgiving. This one is going to leave me alone now. Yes, I'm dull. Leave me alone. Bye.